Are you ready to test the model you made of the mini golf feature? Before you test your model, make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen when you hit the ball into the first hole? Elizabeth, what do you think is going to happen when you test your model?
Here's my model. I think what's going to happen is the ball will go through here, bump into this, and go out like that, and bump into this, go like that, bump, and then out. But what I was thinking was like, I stacked up my popsicle sticks so like it wouldn't fly out, the ball wouldn't fly over. And I don't know if it'll work. I don't really know, but I don't even know. So for mine also, I had to hide this little thing in it because it was hard to chop it, but I had to take these together. These ones I didn't really have time for. I was gonna make them stacked up, but it would be really hard. We had to break 1,000 of them or 1,000 of them. So I just thought I'd stack up these and it would go over this and bump into this and just go like that. But that's my model.
Now pause the video to make your prediction. Okay, it's time to test your model. Use your paddle to push the ball so that it goes into the first hole. Elizabeth is going to test her model. Pause the video to do your test. How did your test go? Use this sentence to talk about how it worked. My model worked or did not work because. Elizabeth, you want to try it?
Sure. My model did not work because whenever the ball went here, it would always get stuck because the tape's going on the pathway.
Great. Pause the video to talk about your model. Remember that we make models to figure out how stuff works. If our first model doesn't work, we can make another model or change our model. Use this sentence to talk about something you might like to change about your model. One thing I would change about my model is... Elizabeth, you want to give it a try?
Sure. One thing I would change about my model is, well, whenever I change, take off this tape and take off these things because it's blocking the pathway. And if you can see here, this thing moves, see, it's like a little something. But, and I think I'd make, obstacles instead of just like that.
All right, great, Elizabeth. Pause the video to talk about what you would change about your model. When scientists make models to figure out how something works, they often cannot see the things they're trying to model to see if they are correct. But if they can get their model to work like the real object, they know they're close. Try tweaking your model until you get it to work like the real thing. Well, it's been fun designing a hockey game with you and trying to figure out how this mini golf feature works. Thanks for doing these activities with us.
Bye!